Hello friends, welcome to you on Delhi IAS. Friend, today is day 51 of my preparation and total 318 days are remaining for my final exam, that is UPSC CSE prelims 2024. So let us see what will be my today's schedule to achieve this goal. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe it. Okay. Friends, before today's schedule, let us see what I have achieved from my yesterday's schedule. As you can see, today is 13th of July and yesterday was 12th of July. So 12th of July this was my schedule of yesterday. So 9 to 10 I did technique learning, yes, and then from 11 to 12 I did pre-study of GS2. Yes, GS2, but I didn't find this topic. I will do it later, but I did GS2, another topic. Okay, similarly from 1 to 2 also I did another topic. Yes, and then 3 to 4 I did GS3 pre-study. No, I didn't completed it. Then from 6 to 8 it was my buffer time, so during that time I completed my remaining portion of this thing, GS2 pre-study. And from 9 to 10 after dinner I went on rest. Yesterday I was not feeling so much healthy, so overall I am happy because I have achieved some target. You can say nearly 70% of my schedule I have achieved from yesterday's schedule, and I will try to improve it further today. Okay, friends, so let us see what is my today's schedule. As you can see, today is 13th of July. Wait a second. Yes, here you can see that today is 13th of July. Okay, so today what I will do, from 9 to 10 I will do technique learning, and from 11 to 12 I will do study of sociology unit 7, politics and society. Basically my today's main target is to finish this unit 7 of sociology, politics and society, from 1 to 2 also, and from 3 to 4 also study of sociology unit 7, politics and society. And during this time 6 to 8 also I will do the same thing. So you can see I have 1 2 3 4 study block. During this time I will finish this. 9 to 10 is my buffer time. If anything remaining I will do that thing during this time. And 10 to 11 I will do COB plus research and development. So this is my today's schedule, and hope I will finish this unit of sociology. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe the channel.